Did you know that over 3 million people have taken part in Isha programs across the world? And thousands have gone on to become dedicated volunteers, helping others experience the same transformation? For many, volunteering at Isha isn't just service, it's a sacred offering, a way to dissolve oneself into something larger. But how do you begin? How do you qualify? And what is it really like to live and serve at one of the most spiritually dynamic places on earth? If you've ever felt the call to serve, this video may be the push your soul was waiting for. Volunteering at Isha isn't about titles, careers, or earning a salary. It's about inner growth through outer service. People from over 150 countries, engineers, doctors, artists, students leave behind their routines to sweep, organize, cook, and support massive Isha events. Why? Because they've experienced the power of Sadhguru's vision and want to give back. For many, their transformation began with inner engineering, but it deepened through Seva, selfless service. It's said in yogic tradition, to serve is to dissolve the self. The first eligibility requirement to become an Isha volunteer is completing the inner engineering program, either online or in person. This foundational course offers powerful tools, including Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya, designed to bring balance, clarity, and deep well-being. Without this inner transformation, outer volunteering is considered incomplete. The program is available globally in local currencies, and once you finish it, you're automatically eligible to begin exploring volunteer opportunities. After completing inner engineering, the next step is to register on the Isha Volunteer Portal, a dedicated platform that connects you with service opportunities both online and on-site. You'll enter your program details, availability, interests, and skill sets. Whether you're great at organizing, cooking, managing people, or simply ready to work with your hands, there's space for you. The portal sends regular updates about volunteering options, including online events, local center work, and large-scale programs like Mahashivratri or Guru Purnima. For those ready to go deeper, on-site volunteering at the Isha Yoga Center in Coimbatore, India is a life-changing experience. After applying through the portal, you'll be invited for short-term or long-term volunteering. You'll stay in simple dorms, eat wholesome vegetarian meals, and follow a structured schedule that includes work, yoga practices, and satsang. The environment is intense but supportive. Many say they've never felt so alive, so present, or so connected with their purpose. While volunteering is unpaid, Isha does ask for a small monthly stay fee to cover accommodation and food, usually around 6,000 rupee to 12,000 rupee INR per month, $75 to $150 USD, depending on the duration and type of stay. The rooms are clean, basic, and spiritually charged. Don't expect luxury, but expect something more valuable: stillness, simplicity, and community. You'll wake up to temple bells, spend your day in mindful work, and end in meditative silence. It's not a vacation, it's a spiritual immersion. One of the most profound parts of volunteering at Isha is not what you do, but what you become. Surrounded by sadhakas, brahmacharis, and spiritual aspirants, you begin to mirror their depth. Tasks that seemed mundane, sweeping a floor, chopping vegetables, suddenly become tools for transformation. As Sadhguru says, the quality of your life is not determined by what you do, but by how you do it. Many volunteers report that months of therapy couldn't achieve what a week of Seva did for their mind and soul. Throughout the year, Isha holds massive events like Mahashivratri, Guru Purnima, Navratri, and Bhava Spandana, and volunteers are the backbone of it all. These events bring thousands together, and everything from security, hospitality, cooking, and stage lighting is handled by volunteers. You'll feel the power of collective energy, the vibration of thousands chanting Shambho, and the rare joy of giving without expectation. These high-intensity events are often described as spiritual festivals, where service becomes ecstasy. Can't travel to India? No problem. Isha also offers online volunteering. especially for content creators, designers, tech professionals, and writers. Many cities around the world also have local Isha centers where volunteers are needed for organizing satsangs, running weekly yoga sessions, or coordinating events. No matter where you live, you can still be part of this massive spiritual machinery spreading inner transformation globally, one offering at a time. If something within you stirred while watching this video, don't ignore it. That feeling could be your soul remembering its path. Volunteering at Isha isn't just about serving others. It's about burning karma, growing in grace, and walking the path of inner freedom. So if you've completed inner engineering, log into the volunteer portal and take the first step. And if you haven't done it yet, make this the year you do. Like, comment, and subscribe if this message resonates. And tell us, have you ever felt the urge to serve selflessly? Let's build a world where inner transformation is the greatest offering we can give.